Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we have received a new RC firmware upgrade on DJI MINI 3 Pro. So you guys were asking me whether we should upgrade or we shouldn't be upgrading this particular firmware. So in the max altitude, if you see my max altitude, that is set to 500 meters now. Just keep it in mind that the max altitude has been set to 500 meters now. So we'll just upgrade our RC firmware. So you were quite curious to know whether we should upgrade or not. So I'll just show what will happen after upgrading the RC firmware. So here you can see when we come to the home page, we have got a new RC firmware that is version 01.03.0700. So I'll just quickly hit on an upgrade. Let's see after this upgrade what all things change on the smart RC. DJI says that they will be fixing some minor bugs. I don't know what were the bugs because I did not see any issues with the smart RC. So let's see, let's upgrade and see what all things change. Basically when you upgrade your DJI firmware, so you need to keep your smart RC connected to the internet. So only if you connect your RC to the internet, then only you will get this notification of upgrades, and you can click on upgrade and it will take a couple of minutes to download the package from the server and get it installed on your RC or your aircraft. So this is particular RC firmware, so it's going to restart our RC module. So here you can see that the package is installing and RC got automatically restarted. Here you can see also that installing system update. So while doing this upgrade, never turn off RC because this might affect the motherboard and might also cause some issues. So never try to restart or do anything if it is taking long time. So guys, here the upgrade is completed, and after that you can see here drone camera is pointing towards downwards, but upgrade is completely done. Now we'll check out what things changed. I don't think so anything must have changed, but let's go click on go live, and now the drone camera is pointing downwards. Let me take it up. So yeah, it's in the right position now. Okay, we'll go in the safety settings, and if you take a look at max altitude is reset to 120 meters guys. So this particular firmware upgrade is resetting the max altitude from 500 meters to 120 meters. This is happening only for few users, not for all, because I have upgraded one of my friends DJI MINI 3 Pro, but that did not have this particular issue. It did not get reset to 120 meters, but my DJI MINI 3 Pro got reset to 120 meters. And here you can take a look at aircraft firmware that is running now, and this is going to reset your max altitude. So I would suggest not to upgrade. If you're upgrading and if your max altitude gets reset, then I would suggest you to follow the hack again. You need to log into Dronehacks website, and then again you have to download the Dronehacks latest software and connect your drone and get the max altitude changed from 120 meters to 500 meters. Other than that, feature wise, I don't see any difference. Everything looks same. Even the transmission is looking same to me. I don't see any difference in the transmission graph. Nothing has been changed with this particular upgrade, but the max altitude has been reset to 120 meters. Now in the flight you can see that I was able to only achieve 120 meters, not above that. So you have to follow the hack again after this upgrade. So this is causing only for few users guys. So this video was just to inform you about this upgrade. That's it guys.